In Massachusetts, winters aren't just cold, they're harsh. And if your home still relies on an older gas furnace, waiting until it fails can leave you without heat when you need it most. At SumZero Energy Systems, we specialize in high-efficiency furnace replacements. Upgrading before winter ensures reliable warmth, lower energy bills, and peace of mind. But the smartest option is a hybrid dual-fuel system. Here's how it works. The heat pump provides efficient heating for most of the year, while also keeping your home cool in the summer. And when Massachusetts delivers those harshest winter days, the gas furnace steps in as backup. That's power, flexibility, and year-round comfort in one system. And with Mitsubishi's Intelli-HEAT technology, it gets even better. Mitsubishi's Intelli-HEAT system automatically decides whether to run the heat pump or the gas furnace based on outdoor temperatures and efficiency. That means your home always uses the most cost-effective, energy-smart option. Electric when it's mild, gas only when it's absolutely necessary. The result is seamless comfort, lower energy costs, and smarter heating without any extra effort on your part. Instead of depending on one outdated system, you'll have two energy sources working together, keeping your home efficient, comfortable, and ready for every season. Don't wait until it's too late. Plan ahead with SumZero Energy Systems, your local experts in high-efficiency furnaces and hybrid dual-fuel solutions. Because comfort should never be seasonal, it should be all year long.